Okay, hello, it's me again. This is take 2. But anyway, I heard a rumor that you could use Barkeepers friend on your fogged over headlight covers, and I wanted to see if it would work. So here, if I can figure out how to flip this around. Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. How about that? Nope. Okay, well, I can't figure out how to flip it around, so I'm just going to do it this way. This headlamp cover was replaced just a few years ago, and OEM, 2010. It's I don't know, 11 years old, 12 years old, whatever, and it's a little bit foggier. So I got myself some Barkeepers friend on a shop towel. We're gonna try it, see what happens. All right, hopefully I can get the angle right, but I doubt it. We're just gonna rub this around in a circle, just like rubbing compound. Doesn't sound like, it sounds like it's doing a little bit of work, but it doesn't sound like it's doing much. I don't know. These headlight covers need a lot. Okay, I'm flipping it over. I'm gonna try to buff them out now. Excuse me. I don't know. Yeah, it's working just like freaking stupid rubbing compound. As a matter of fact, I think it might have made it a little bit worse. Anyway, that's my experience with Barkeepers friend on your headlight covers. Not like it made it much worse, but it did make it a little worse, I think. We'll have to try something else next time. Peace.